Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 12 of 12 days of Liller-Ween, the last episode of this super duper successful Halloween series. You guys are amazing. I was reading your comments and now I am like super duper excited for next year's series. I am so excited for this year's Christmas series. I am doing the exact same thing where I'm going to be giving away every project that I create. You guys are just amazing and I just want to let you know that everything I do on this channel is for you guys. I'm so excited to be giving all these prizes out today. So I went on to the random selector website to pick each and every winner. I filmed every clip, but once I loaded it onto iMovie, it won't load it to my phone so that I can upload it to YouTube. And it's already 8 o'clock at night. I've been doing this for about an hour and a half. It's just frustrating, you guys. I want to get this video up. So I just wrote down the winners that every little clip picked, and I'm gonna announce it on this video and show you guys what you won each additional day. So first and foremost, thank you each and every one of you who entered my giveaways. Do not, please do not get sad or upset if you didn't win. There's so many opportunities that are coming, you guys. If you haven't seen my, what is it called, the community tab, or my Instagram, for my birthday challenge, I am giving away a Cricut. I might even add 2 more winners that'll win handmade items. Stay tuned for so much. Don't get discouraged. You could be the next winner, okay? Happy Halloween, you guys. I love you guys so much. And let's get on with the winners of the Halloween series challenges, or the giveaways, not challenges. So day 1 was the pocket letter, and this is the prize. I'm going to show you guys. This is the prize. There are goodies in the back. I am not showing because that is going to be for the winner. And the winner for day 1 is Jelly Bean Junction. Yay! I need you to email me your address so that I can have the info to send your prize out. Yay, I'm so happy. Winner of day 1, Jelly Bean Junction. So that's day 1. Day 2 was, I actually have my channel open up here because I don't even remember the days. So day 2 was the card, the SVG card. Where are you? Right here. Oh, the crinkle fell. I need to put that back in my package. Day 2 is the SVG card, and the winner of this card is Janaeh S. Yay, Janaeh! This is your little card. There's gonna be some extra goodies added to your card, so I won't be showing those. You will see that once you receive your package. Thank you so much for entering, and congratulations. And on to day 3. Day 3 was the skate and some other shaker goodies and some other bits. The winner to this day is Pamsty917. I'm going to have all the winners linked down below so you guys can just check it if you don't want to watch the video, but I hope you watch the video. But Pamsty917, you have won the skate shaker. Yay, congratulations. Thank you so much for entering my challenge, or my giveaway. I keep saying challenge because I mentioned my birthday challenge. Sorry, you guys. I've been at this video for like an hour, so yes, I'm kind of over it. But the show must go on, and you guys are excited, and I am too. So day 4, let's see. Day 4 is the little Rosettes. This is the day 4 prize. You get some Rosettes, some other extra goodies back here. The winner for these is Pat Sweeney. Yay, Pat, congratulations. Don't forget to email me your information. Thank you so much for entering the giveaways. Yay! Okay, let's see. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I love giving stuff away. Okay, day 1, 2, 3. I should have numbered these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Day 5 is the altered frame, and the winner for the frame is Ruiz. Yay, Desi! Congratulations on winning the shaker frame. Woohoo! I'm like my own little party here. And well, I know you guys are cheering me on too, so Thank you so much, Des, for entering the giveaway. And okay, that was 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're on to day 6. So day 6 is the Rosettes and the paper pack. And the winner for this little giveaway is Let's Make a Deal, Liana. Yay! Congratulations, Liana. You are a winner. This is your prize pack. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for entering my giveaways. And on to day 7. And the winner for day 7, which is this prize pack right here. Let me show you guys what it is. It's the one where I gave away the little coffee sleeve book and some other goodies. And the winner for this one, day 7, is Devi Love. Yay, Devi! Congratulations, you are winner of day 7. Thank you so much for entering my giveaways. And day 8. So on to day 8. You guys, I cannot believe it. I wanted her. I'm not gonna say I didn't want her to win. I did want her to win. So when I saw her name, I got so excited. But Alicia Wagman 510, you won the chunky embellishments. Woohoo! Congratulations, and thank you so much for constantly being so supportive and such a sweetheart and entering the giveaways, even though I know you didn't want to, but it's only fair and square. So I included your name in the random selector and you won the chunky embellishments. Yay! So that was day 8. Day 9 is, what's day 9? Let me see. Day 9 is the hoop, the tag, and some other embellishments. And the winner for day 9 is Addicted to Nail Arts. Yay! You are the winner for day 9, and this is your prize pack. Thank you so much for entering my giveaway. I hope you enjoy all the goodies. And day 10, where are we? Day 10 is the little mini album, the pastel mini album with the little tassel. And the winner to this yummy is Diana Hernandez. Woohoo! Congratulations, Diana. You are the winner for the mini album. Don't forget to email me your information. All you ladies need to email me your information so that your prizes can go out. Congratulations, and thank you so much for entering my giveaway. And we're nearing the end here, you guys. I have a humongous mess, but we're getting there. The winner to day 11, which is the flip book that looks like this. You guys know what it is. It's all packaged up. The winner is Taneca Townsend. Yay, Taneca! You are a winner of this Happy Halloween flip book. Thank you so much for entering my giveaways. Congratulations. And last but definitely not least, you guys, oh my gosh, is the Haunted House and the Memory Decks card. The winner, the last winner to my 12 Days of Liller-Ween 2019 is Iveto Scrapbook. Yay! Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining the giveaways. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Congratulations. You guys, I am so excited. All the winners have been announced. They will be linked down below. So definitely check and see your name down below. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what else to say. I've done this video like 20 times, but it's done, you guys. The winners are announced. Send me your info so your prize packs can go out as soon as possible. Starting tomorrow, I will announce the information on my birthday challenge. Oh, you guys, I love you so much. I'm so overwhelmed. I feel emotional. I don't know why, but I do. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for your love, your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell to be notified. And I'll catch you guys on 1,000 more videos. Bye.